Okay, so today I'm gonna make some cauliflower buffalo wings. So first I'm gonna get the cauliflower, and then I'm gonna get some Slap Your Mama hot sauce and some butter, and I'm gonna melt them together, okay? Okay, so I melted the butter with the buffalo wing sauce, and now I'm gonna pour it over. Okay, I don't know if I'm gonna use it. Just do it to your liking. I just like it really spicy. And your gloves that you get for like your coronavirus stuff, just use one of those and you just mix it. Okay, so like I don't use regular flour, I just got coconut flour, and I put some parsley, dried parsley, and then some like garlic powder and some like salt. Where's the salt? And you just put it in there and then you whisk it. Like, I don't really have a whisk, so this kind of looks like one, so I'm just whisking it. And then you're gonna put it on your cauliflower florets. Okay, so now you're just gonna like dump it. You're just gonna like put it all over and like mix it up in here, I think. I don't really know, I've never made this before, so. And then I'm just gonna stick it in my air fryer. Okay, so like it looks really good. It's not cooked yet, but take a look, and then I'm gonna stick it in the air fryer, and then I'll show you that after. Okay, look. Okay, so like I'm putting it in the air fryer for 350 for 15 minutes. Okay, and go. Okay, so like it's totally done, and I'm just putting them in a bowl, and then I got more butter and more hot sauce, and I'm just gonna roll it around in there, and like look how awesome it is. Okay, so like last thing is you just pour over all the sauce and you mix it together, and then I'm just gonna eat one. Oh my